up, superstar? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Listen, stop. I want you to imagine right now earning $2,000 in 1 hour with Clickbank right now. Listen, I've made millions of dollars on Clickbank here, but what I'm going to show you is the easiest, simplest way to make money online using the Clickbank platform. It's the platform that made me a millionaire. I thank God for it. And now I'm going to give it to you. Now listen, you have to really pay attention here. I'm going to expose and show you some things that other people, they make you buy courses for this stuff, but I'm going to give it to you free because I'm Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Smash the like button, hit the sub right now. Every single day I post brand new videos to help you leave the 9-to-5 grind so you can work at home and relax and make money on the computer here. So check it out. This is my YouTube channel right here. But listen, I want everybody right now to comment these words below. Before we get started here, because I know there's some people here make, Wesley, this is BS. It's not going to work. Listen, if you approach this with this mindset, you're going to learn something in about 5 minutes on how to do it. I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to show you right in your face as you're watching this video to the very end how to do this. I want you to comment below, I can do this. If you don't believe that you actually can make money online in your bedroom, butt naked, doing nothing, then it would never work. You can watch videos, watch tutorials, and this stuff would never work, okay? So comment below, I can do this right now. And I'm looking at you, and I can hear you. All right, let's get started here. So first website you need to go to right now is going to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is an affiliate marketplace. These people, you can put your products here or you can promote products online. So check it out. Let me show you proof. Let me log into one of my many Clickbank accounts here because I want to show you proof that I'm earning $2,000 here. As you can see here, if you look down on Monday, March 8th, I did $2,133. It took me an hour to do that. And don't worry, I'm going to show you, but I have to show you proof because I have to deserve your like and share, right? I just can't say smash the like button without showing you proof. Does that make sense? You should be nodding your head right now. All right, so it's $2,000 here. And I'm going to show you step by step basically how to do that right now, okay? All I ask you to do is make sure you follow every bit of information that you hear in the video here. Don't fast forward because you're going to miss very important steps in the video. Other than that, let's make some money, baby. All right, now check it out. This is what you need to do, okay? This is how I made $2,000. First step is you have to go to sendlane.com. You see here? This is sendlane.com. You need an ESP. So basically, you're going to send an email and you're going to make a bunch of money, okay? Now, listen, you can either go to aweber.com, okay? And listen, aweber.com is what is called ESP, email service provider. And listen, always comment below if you have any problems, if I'm moving too fast, if you have questions, comment below, okay? And I'll leave a link in the description that will give you the full course. I have a course and I kind of show you how to do this, but actually in this video, you'll be able to do everything that you need to start earning money. And we're talking about $60,000 per month if you just follow this simple method. And the great thing about it is free to use. You don't have to spend any money. All it takes is time. If you're a hard worker, you could do this. Disclaimer, if you don't actually do the work and try it, you'll never make money, period. I'm being honest with you. If you're a loser and if you're the type of person that just think, you know, money's going to just fall from the skies and not put in the work, then you should leave the video, okay? But everybody that's willing to work, everybody that's willing to really tune in and understand this information, this is for you. All right, so you're either going to use Aweber or SendLane. These are called email service providers because what you're going to do is send an email and you're going to make the money, okay? But for this video, I'm going to show you my SendLane account here. So let me go ahead and log in. And as you can see here, this is how it looks. Now, to make this very simple, because I know a lot of you are like, what is this, Wesley? All these numbers, this looks insane. It looks complicated. No. All you need to do once you have your SendLane account is you go to campaigns. Understand this. For me to be able to make this money, it took me 1 hour. I sent an email. I went to the gym, right? I went to go watch my baby girl play basketball. When I came back, I had $2,000 in the account here, okay? And as you can see, this is happening every single day for free, just by basically clicking a button and just for like a couple of minutes of work, okay? So listen, if you go back to Send Lane here, what I'm going to do, and what I did was I sent an email out here. You see this? It was Midas Manifestation and Manifestation Wizard here, okay? And I sent it to an email list. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to build it very quickly here. I just want to show you and be very transparent on what I did to earn the money, okay? So basically, by sending the email to my list, I made $2,000 plus in about an hour, okay? Which means it took me about, I don't know, maybe less than an hour to do that. This is how you do it. You go to campaigns, you click on new campaign, okay? You type in, say if you're getting ready to send an email to an offer to make you some money, you need an offer, and I'm going to give you an offer at the end of this video for free to show you the offer that you can use right now. You can send some traffic to it for free and start making money in the next hour. Is that cool? All right, so say if we're going to send information right now as you take action to a manifestation offer. So I'll write manifestation offer. I click next audience. And then right here is basically what is called email list. And I'll leave a link below to further explain what I mean by email list and how you put it together and kind of how you build it, okay? That makes sense? So if I'm going to include everything here, that means that this email that I'm going to send to make that $2,000 here, I'm going to put it here. So when I click next for the content here, that email that I'm going to write, right, I'm going to basically send it to all the people that's in the list. And that's how this money here gets racked in, okay? That's why you see $2,000 here. Now, I know some of you say, well, Wesley, I still don't get it. Look, let me make it very, very simple for you, okay? Because I want you to make money online. Smash the like button if you're getting this. If not, hold that like button. Don't smash it yet. Let me go slower. When you click on campaigns, if you notice here, I sent an email manifestation wizard, okay? So let me open it up for you, right? So you can see it. Does that make sense? So this email was delivered to 201,000 people. 24,000 people opened, 17,000, 4,000 people clicked here, okay? But if you look over here to the left, this is the actual email here. Now the question is, Wesley, where do you get these emails from, right? Where do these emails come from? So basically on Clickbank, it comes from here in the marketplace section, okay? You see here, if you click this button here, these are all the different products that you can send to, okay? And like I said, as promised, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a magic product that I know that works, and you can make money like right now, starting today, within the next hour if you pay attention. So all I did was I found an offer on Clickbank. You get it? I clicked on their affiliate, right, link on their offer, right? Because every offer on Clickbank has what is called an affiliate page. So on the affiliate page, you take the actual, what is called the email swipe. Okay, are you with me? Smash the like button if you're with me. Let's go! Hey, smash the like button if you like when I say let's go. I'm just curious. So you got to have fun with this, guys. Don't be too serious. So you see this email right here that I wrote? I basically copied that from the affiliate page of the offer that I was promoting, right? I didn't have to do any work. I didn't have to write emails. I didn't have to learn what to write in the email itself. It was already available to me, right? So then I put it in, and then I sent it, and then after I sent it, boom, 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 bada bing. And if you look in the dashboard here, this is why you see the money right here. Does that make sense? This is how I made the $2,000, because basically I was promoting their product on Clickbank, right, to my list of people that I collected emails from. Now I'm going to show you how to get the emails, okay? Go ahead and sub to the channel. Go ahead and smash the like button just in case you haven't did it, because I know you're getting value and I know you love this. And I'm going to keep doing this until you make your first $10,000 a month. Can I get an amen? I'm talking $10,000 a month every single month. You're going to see. Just pay attention here, okay? So that's how you send the email, right? It's just that simple. You find an offer on Clickbank, right? You can find an offer on Clickbank. You just go to Marketplace right here. And like I said, in the end of the video, I'm going to give you an offer that I know that works right now for free. And you can start making money like tonight, as in today. And you find a product here. You always go to the affiliate page. You can choose anyone that you want here. And all you do is copy their email swipe when you're on the affiliate page. And you paste it right here when you go to campaigns in your Send Lane account, new campaign, and you just add the email. As you can see here, I have a couple of emails scheduled out. So every email that I send, I make $2,000 to $3,000 per day. Does that make sense? Now, the question is, Wesley, I'm going to make this very quick, very easy, very simple. And you're going to, listen, you have to see yourself making money. You have to see yourself getting this now. You have to see yourself taking massive action. Comment below if you can see yourself doing this. This is all you got to do to collect emails. This is what I want you to do. You see this page right here? Okay? You see this page right here? Go ahead and screenshot the page. It is your page. You can use it. This is the page that I use to collect emails. Okay? Listen, I do it a few ways. I either go to Facebook groups. So you can go to facebook.com, type in manifestation. Go to facebook.com, type in meditation groups. You join these groups, and all you do is say, hey, I'm giving away something free. Here's the page, right? Check it out. And all you do is start collecting people's email addresses, okay? But what you want to do is give them something for free, okay? It can be anything, but give them something for free. When you do that, what you're doing, you're building your email list. And one day, you'll start to see lists like here, like Wesley Virgin here. That makes sense? You see all these lists I have? 40,000 people, 4,000, 3,000 people. I have over 200,000 people that I've collected emails address from here just by using free methods and free groups on Facebook. I use Instagram as well. Does that make sense? Smash the like button. Here's the page. Take it. Now, since you have this page, and if you need a designer, just go to Fiverr.com. You get it done for $5 and say, hey, create this page from this guy, this black guy from Houston, Texas, that's making millions of dollars, and he's showing love to people like me to make money. And tell them to duplicate this page. They will hook it up for you with no problem. It takes $10 to do this. Don't spend $1,000 on an email or $1,000 on somebody to design a website. That's stupid. That's crazy. That's idiotic. $10 to create this. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if you're loving the video and the tutorial right now. Listen, all right, Clickbankers, listen. So, now, this is very important. You may be thinking, okay, Wesley, what should I promote right now so I can start making money in the next 24 hours? If I started collecting email addresses right now, I have this page, I'm driving people, and I have about 100 to 1,000 email addresses right now. What do I use right now to promote? This is what you do. I want you to go to digistore.com. See that? Digistore.com. Digistore24.com. This is important here. Pay attention. Go to Marketplace. When you go to Marketplace, you're going to see a couple of offers. Scroll down to the third offer, which is the Genie script. This is my offer, right? Now, listen, you might say, well, Wesley, you're being partial. Listen, the only reason why I'm showing you this, because not only does it work and you're going to make money fast, is I'm going to support you, okay? These other people, I don't know these people, and I don't know if they're going to support you if you reach out to them. But listen, if you reach out to me here, and I'm going to leave a link under this description here, if you want to click that by the end of this video here, I will help you succeed. That's just what I do, okay? Because I understand something about the internet, and I understand something about life. If you don't help other people to succeed, you never will. The more people that you help succeed and win, the more you win. So I must get you, your big head, winning now. Smash the like button if you're okay with that philosophy, okay? Now listen, you go to Genie Script Works here, okay? Because this is what you're going to promote here. You're going to click on affiliate support page. This is important here. When you click here, another page are going to open up like this. You're going to see a weird looking black guy on top of a Rolls Royce here, okay? What you want to do is click, yes, I want easy cash here, okay? Then look at my beautiful girl with her pretty eyes and her pretty smile. But listen, don't focus on her. Listen, click on the green button here. Type in your name. Your name is Big Head, okay? Whatever your name is. I don't know what your name is, right? Could be Sam. Then you put in your email address right here, bighead@yahoo.com, whatever, right? Click this. Yes, Wesley, I'm ready to get paid. Now, I know some of you right now say, I love this guy, Wesley Virgin. because I make it so simple here. You scroll down. See, listen, that's why you don't need to buy too many courses. You know, it's just because it's very simple to do this. Look at this. You scroll down and you see what it says new email swipes 2020. Click on it. That's it. What you're going to see here is actually emails that you can copy right now and put those emails into send lane. Does that make sense? So when you go to campaigns and you create an email and you hit new campaign, all you're going to do is, listen please, is copy this email that has already been created for you, already been formatted for you, and you're going to paste that. Make sure your affiliate link is on everything that you see in blue. If you see this blue text, that means you need to put your affiliate link there, okay? That's important. Here's the affiliate link, but you need to make sure that where it says your affiliate, it needs to be your digital store ID. Very important. Does that make sense? Listen, watch the video again if you get any confusion. Once that is done, then all you do is send the email and you make money with digital store, okay? With digital store, and you'll see money start to pile up, okay? This is how right now, you can make money with Clickbank right now, basically sending emails to offers, and it doesn't take pretty much no money to do this. Now listen, if you want me to show you how I created GeniusScript, this product has made me about millions and millions and millions of dollars, and I'm not trying to impress you, but I'm trying to impress upon you that you can do this. If you want me to teach you right now how to create offers like this, I've created over 10 plus offers in the past 5 to 6 years. I've made over $40 million, and I've retired my parents. I take care of the baby mama. I take care of my kids. I got 2 beautiful places that cost me $1 million each. I have over 10 different real estate properties. I have over 9 different cars. And listen, I donate my time every single Sunday, and I feed the homeless. Listen, what I'm going to share with you is this. I can't guarantee your success, but I can virtually guarantee you this. If you try, if you trust me, if you allow me to teach you, I'll leave a link below. It's a course. I will help you. I will teach you to show you how simple it is to create these products. I am a young man. I never graduated from college. I don't have any specialized education. As a matter of fact, I'm just a regular, dark-skinned chocolate brother from the South. But I'm making millions of dollars, okay? And I can show anybody that's willing to do it now. If you look in the description below, I can teach you. It's work, but it's worth it after you get it. Does it make sense? Hey, this is Wesley. $1 billion Virgin. Smash the like button if you're going to take action right now. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.